What is going on, guys? And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a FiveM server.
Very mellow. Ethereal? You're not trying too hard.
You want to open your browser and go to FiveM.net, create your own server, host your own server, and while we're here we're going to create a folder. I'm going to name it FX server. Go ahead and open this up. Now you're going to want to go to Windows Setup Guide. Alright, now that you're here, we're going to create a folder called server-artifacts and another folder called server data. We'll also want to create a start server.bat. Alright, so we're going to go over here and we're going to want to download the Windows Server build. We're going to do latest recommended. And then we're also going to want to get our server data. We're going to go ahead and download that. We're also going to want to set up our start server.bat. So we're going to click edit. And we're going to copy this. So this is your server artifacts line, and this is your server data line. So we want to go to server data, copy, and paste. And then we're going to go to server artifacts, and copy, and paste. Now we're going to save this. Alright, so we should have these two downloaded. We're going to want to open the server artifacts, copy all of it, and move it into the server artifacts folder. Same thing with the server data. Copy, move into server data. Now I always delete the readme because I don't really need it. And what you're also going to want to do is we need the server config. So we're going to create a document and name this server.cfg. We're going to open it up. Now we're going to want to go to the example server config. We're going to highlight everything and paste. Now what you're going to want to do is set up your server license key. You're going to want to go back to here, go to this website. Seems like they don't have it listed, but the website is keymaster.fivem.net. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to execute my server license key to a different config. You don't have to do this. All you have to do is input it into where it said change me, but I'm gonna make this easier for tutorial purposes. So once you have your server key put into your server config, now we can officially start the server. But what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to change the name of the server to FX server tutorial, and let's go to start server.bat. You're going to want to click allow access. Now basically what this is doing over here is Yarn is downloading all of their dependencies for your chat, webpack, and stuff like that. So once this is done, I will show you guys that you can connect to your server. Now the easiest way to connect to your server, you can either press this localhost button if you have it configured in the settings tab, or you can press F8, type in connect localhost, if I can spell localhost, and now you are connecting to your server. Now this will pop up because I played on a server that had a different game version. All you have to do is press OK. It's going to relaunch FiveM and transfer to the other build. Once it relaunches, you're going to automatically connect, and now you are connecting to your FiveM server. Let's load into the game, show you that you can play around, and that'll be it. Alright, we are now in our FiveM server. Now it's very easy to add in plugins to your server and scripts. Everything that you want to find is on FiveM.net. So if you go to FiveM.net, press the forums page, it will take you to CFX's community page, and to add different resources to your server, you're going to want to go down here where it says FiveM Resource Development and Modding and click on Releases. Or you can simply search different things in the search tab. There is more to come for these different tutorials. I would like to create different tutorials for you guys on developing more onto your server, different server scripts. And that is it on today's video. Hopefully this helps everyone out on creating a FiveM server. And I can't wait to see what else comes next.